Hello, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to a remarkable plugin that seamlessly integrates with WordPress. Allow me to present the Table Manager plugin. This plugin allows you to use table editing in your WordPress dashboard, offering easy spreadsheet management, covering data management, calculations, and dynamic content creation. No matter if you're a business professional, educator, or data analyst, Table Manager transforms your WordPress environment into a dynamic workspace that caters to all your data-related needs. Right here on the main plugin display, you can easily create and organize tables. Just click the Create New button to make a table. In the Table Editing tab, you can adjust various settings, including themes. As mentioned earlier, this plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress, allowing you to add the Table Manager to your content pages through page-building platforms like Elementor. Let me quickly demonstrate how it's done. You can easily search for the Table Manager plugin in the Elementor block search, drag it onto your page, select the desired table to add, and hit the Insert button. The table will then appear as a block like this on your page. There are also numerous other features that I'm eager to showcase, so let's dive into the next set of features right now. Now, let's explore the Table Manager list. Here, you have the ability to organize your tables within different categories. To sort and save, simply click and drag the table to the location you want. Also, right-clicking on a table allows you to rename it, create duplicates, or delete it. When you click on Edit for a table, you'll be redirected to the editing interface. To make it easier to demonstrate graphs, let's select a theme. Within the Table Manager, if you're already familiar with Excel or Google Sheets, you'll find editing a cell very easy. However, if you're new to this, don't worry because it's pretty simple. Just click on the cell you want to edit and look at the top row where the content, or in other words, the table's value, is displayed. You can edit it simply by typing in the value you desire. You can also enable the HTML editor in the toolbar to transform your cell into an HTML cell. Once a cell becomes an HTML cell, it behaves differently from a regular cell. You can double-click on it to access an advanced editing interface. Within this interface, you can configure various options for your HTML content, such as embedding an image from your WordPress media library. After making adjustments, simply click outside the cell to see the embedded image in your graph. Utilizing this feature will enhance the visualization of your graph. Right-clicking on a cell will open a pop-up tab with options for editing that specific cell. This includes the copy and paste option, as the name suggests. You can copy a cell and then paste it into another cell to create a duplicate. Now, let's go through the toolbar that the plugin has provided to assist us in editing our tables. First up is the Undo and Redo tool. This tool allows you to reverse the previous action you've taken on a cell, such as text editing or styling. Moving on, we have the Font Selection tool, which lets you select from various available fonts. The Font Size tool allows you to adjust the size of your text font to your preferred dimensions. The Zoom tool enables you to zoom in on your table like this. Moving along, we come to the various tools for defining your font style, including options to make text bold, italic, underline, strike through, change the background cell color, or modify the font color. The next set of tools becomes essential when we're discussing the Table Manager. These tools allow you to alter the alignment of a single cell or an entire column, whether it's right, center, left, or justified, like so. You can also adjust the vertical alignment to top, bottom, or center using this tool. There's also the Wrapping tool, which helps you control whether text overflows from a cell or remains within the border radius. Speaking of border radius, the cell padding and border radius options allow you to customize padding for individual cells or entire rows and columns, granting you full control over your layout. I previously demonstrated the HTML tool, so let's move directly to the Cell Border tool. Here, you can add various border styles to your cells from the available choices below, and you can also alter their color and line style. Merging cells is as simple as selecting two or more cells and clicking Merge to combine them into one. Lastly, we have the Functions tool, which introduces function commands similar to those found in Excel. It also provides examples and explanations of how to use these functions to organize your table sheet more neatly and professionally. As I demonstrated earlier, inserting your table into your content page is a simple process. You can add it to any of your pages, and it will synchronize with your plugin. This means that when I make changes to the theme or edit values in the plugin's front end, the table in my Elementor will automatically update. On the Format tab of your table, you'll find various formatting options tailored to your needs. For instance, in a data table like this one containing numbers and such, I prefer to enable the filter and sorting options. Now, let's observe how these formatting choices impact my table in Elementor. With sorting format turned on, you can arrange the data values either in ascending or descending order, or leave it at the default setting. Filtering, on the other hand, functions as a search engine for each column. Simply input the value you want to search for, and the table will promptly respond to your query. Another important and interesting format that you can customize for your table is the responsive options. This feature allows you to select one of the 3 responsive types: scrolling, hiding columns, and repeated header. I'll now demonstrate how this functions on the front end by choosing one of the responsive options and navigating to Elementor. To see the effect, you can inspect the page using your browser's inspector tool and then adjust the dimensions to a responsive setting. You will notice how the columns in my table transform according to the responsive type I've chosen. If you have tables in other formats, such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or OneDrive Excel, importing them into Table Manager is easy. Simply hover your mouse over the Import and Sync tool and select the type of file you wish to import. In this demonstration, I'll illustrate how to import an Excel file and upload it to my Table Manager. Once the import process is complete, you'll notice that all the data, columns, rows, and more have been successfully imported and synchronized with my Table Manager. You can also directly edit the data and values in this chart. This feature can significantly save you time and enhance your workflow whenever you need to transfer another sheet into your Table Manager. Keep in mind that, apart from Excel, you can also import various file formats such as Google Sheets or OneDrive Excel. Now, based on the chart I imported earlier, let's uncover an interesting feature. Say you choose columns or rows to modify data and opt to chart this selection. The plugin will automatically generate a chart using your chosen data. This not only allows you to visualize the data but also easily integrate it into your content page. Here's how you can do it. Head over to Elementor, search for the Table Manager chart widget, select the chart you created earlier, and insert it into your page. Alternatively, you can use the provided shortcode from the chart and paste it on your page. Both methods work, so pick the one that suits your preference. Once it's done, the chart will be displayed on your page, and you can hover over it to access more statistics and information. Finally, and now that really the end, let's check the third-party integrations that the plugin has. There are many WordPress plugins integration with their respective content blocks, widgets or modules, whatever their names are. The most popular you may know are WooCommerce, Elementor or DIVI Builder. Also, and that's more interesting, there are many Sheets formats supported for import and synchronization, like Excel files, CSV files or OpenOffice files. This plugin is available at $49 with all the features we've just shown in this video. And that's for an unlimited number of websites, no domain limitation, no support limitation. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about new plugin features. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a nice day, bye.